If you step barefoot onto your lawn and it feels soft and spongy underfoot, with leaves as wide as your pinky nail, 5 to 8 millimetres, you're probably standing on buffalo grass. And if it's Sir Walter DNA certified buffalo, you've got Australia's most trusted lawn variety. Sir Walter DNA certified buffalo is easy to recognise once you know the signs. Its leaves are broad and often a bit longer than other varieties, not fine and short like a Bermuda grass. Its colour is deep, rich green that holds even in partial shade. And it spreads with stolons. These are above ground runners that you can actually see creeping across the soil to fill bare patches. Want another clue? Couch grass struggles without full sun. Kikuyu can invade anything in sight, but buffalo, it's the sweet spot. Shade tolerant, drought resistant, and low maintenance. Buffalo likes to be mown high at 35 to 50 millimetres. Watered deeply once a week in summer and fertilised in spring, summer and autumn. If you care for it properly, you'll have a lawn that feels like a lush green carpet all year round.